Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Chuck. I'm a hairdresser and salon owner in Austin, Texas. In today's video, we're cooling down this blonde and introducing some gorgeous silver tones. I'm getting started by mixing up several colors of shades EQ. I mark the color on the bowl with a Sharpie so I can keep them all straight. In this service, I'll be using iron, a mixture of platinum ice and chrome, silver, and a mixture of volcanic, platinum, and sterling. I do use the color accelerator in all of my formulas. Starting out, I'm sectioning the front from the back, then dividing the back into smaller subsections. You know what time it is. Let's paint. In the nape area, I'm painting in shades of iron and silver. I'm primarily using the darkest formula in this section, breaking it up with bits of silver for a little dimension. This will ensure that the color doesn't end up flat and looks the most natural. My client is much darker underneath, so we're just going with the natural color pattern of her hair. As I move into the low crown area, I'll begin introducing a little of the volcanic, platinum, and sterling mixture. In this area, I'll blend a little of the darkest formula in as well, but it really will be just minimal. I'll primarily be using the level 8 silver formula here. In the crown area, I'll be painting level 8 at the root and blending it out to level 9 on the ends. She's previously been highlighted in this area, so I want to maintain some of that brightness. I'm combing through this section to ensure I get everything nicely saturated, and I'm adding more color where necessary. She has very fine hair, so it tends to clump together easily when coloring. I'm going to finish coloring this last section real quick, and then we'll move on to the sides. Now that I've moved to the sides, I'll be using the 3 lightest formulas only. As I work through this section, there is a mix of warm tones in her hair that we need to neutralize. Dividing this panel up into subsections, I paint the necessary colors to each section to achieve the silvery look that we are going for. In the final section, I'm working through her part line in small horizontal partings. In the back of the section, I'm painting the level 8 at the root and melting the colors down to the lightest. As I work toward her front hairline, I apply less and less level 8 to each section, leaving it out altogether on the last 2 foils. This gives a very natural look when finished. Once all the color is on, we process for 15 minutes under a color processor on low heat. After processing is complete, we head back to the shampoo area to rinse, shampoo, and condition. Today, I'm using Leaf & Flowers Instant Repair Shampoo and Conditioner. I follow up with 7-minute blow dry, Frizz Remedy, and phytomolecular oil, all from Leaf & Flower as well. I'm absolutely obsessed with the scent of this line, and it also works incredibly. While I finish up this blow dry, I'd love it if you'd leave a like on the video. It really helps other people just like you find my videos too. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have tons more content on the way. Feel free to drop a comment below and tell me what you want to see in an upcoming video.
Pretty. Oh,
Yay!
awesome.
Isn't it pretty?
Very pretty. Yeah.
It looks so good on your skin too. I love the color on your skin. That's my video, you guys. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.